How to move icons on an LG phone. Rearranging the icons on your LG phone's home screen is one of the easiest ways to make your device work for you. To rearrange icons, all you have to do is to tap and hold on an icon for 1 to 2 seconds. And then, while keeping your finger pressed against the screen, drag the icon to where you want it. When the icon is in place, let go and it will stay there. You can further organize your icons by making folders or groups of them. To make a folder, press and hold on an icon and drag it on top of another icon you want in the same folder. When it is over the second icon, let go of the icon and they will create a new folder. Once the folder is created, you can tap and drag to add more apps, or you can open the folder. Then tap the plus button at the bottom. Check the apps you want in the folder, and then tap Done at the bottom. To rename a folder, tap to open it. Then tap on the name of the folder at the top. When the keyboard appears, type in the name you want, then tap the Done key on the keyboard to complete the change. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.